Hey everyone, it's Tyler, the Antenna Man. I noticed a lot of comments on my YouTube videos from people stating that their HOA won't let them install an outdoor antenna. In this video, I'm going to explain why HOA restrictions on outdoor antennas are illegal in most cases, and what to do if you're in this situation. If you're a cord cutter or use an antenna, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive a notification whenever I post a new video. While some people may be able to get away with an indoor antenna, many need to install an outdoor antenna for reliable reception of all local channels, but hesitate because of an HOA. The fact is, most HOA restrictions on outdoor antennas are illegal. I actually made a video on this exact topic a few years ago, but figured to remake it for recent subscribers of the channel who don't watch my older videos. The FCC's over-the-air reception devices rule prohibits HOA restrictions on outdoor antennas in most situations. If you have exclusive access to an area like a yard, back porch, or patio, you can install an outdoor antenna there. The 1 meter size limit mentioned in the law only applies to satellite dishes and fixed wireless antennas, not TV antennas. The antenna can be any size as long as it's a TV antenna designed to pick up TV broadcasts. This law also protects renters who have exclusive access to an area where the antenna can be installed outside. I include a link to the FCC law in the description of the video. If you live in an HOA and want to install an outdoor antenna for the best reception possible, here's what you do. Simply print the law, politely present it to your HOA, and they should back off. If they don't, there are resources to get the feds involved. Some of you may say, well, I signed a document agreeing to my HOA's rule that I won't install an outdoor antenna. You can't agree to something that's illegal. If you don't have a single property and your exclusive access area is a porch, patio, or balcony, how can you install an outdoor antenna there? A few options include a tripod with sandbags or a set of clamps to clamp the J-pole of a small antenna to the balcony or porch railing. Links to some are attached in the description of the video, but you can get as creative as you'd like. I've heard of some people putting a pole into a bucket filled with concrete. I guess that works. Now, I should mention that a lot of homes with HOAs in the suburb tend to be in fair to strong signal areas where an antenna might pick up all local channels just fine in the attic. Definitely consider signing up for my antenna recommendation service on my website at antennamanpa.com to see if you can get away with an antenna in the attic. If signals are too weak to be reliably picked up with an antenna in the attic, definitely challenge your HOA with the FCC's over-the-air reception devices rule. In most cases, the HOA probably isn't even aware the law exists and will simply back off when informed about it. If not, you can file a petition right on the FCC website linked in the description of the video. To be clear, the FCC over-the-air reception devices rule prohibits HOA restrictions on outdoor antennas in most cases, but not all of them. You need to have exclusive access to an area like a yard, balcony, or patio. If you live in a townhouse or apartment that doesn't have any of these, the FCC law does not protect you from certain restrictions on outdoor antennas. If this is the case, try an indoor or attic antenna, as there's a good chance you will get all local channels with the right one if you live within 30 or 40 miles of the broadcast towers. Definitely sign up to my antenna recommendation service on my website if you've been convinced that an antenna won't work in your apartment. I can look up your reception and say otherwise. Thanks again for watching this YouTube video. An additional thanks to everyone who supports me on Patreon or is a member of my YouTube channel. If my videos helped you cut the cord, or if you just think they're cool and would like to help support them while gaining exclusive perks, such as behind the scenes content, access to my videos ad-free 1 day early, and direct contact with me, visit patreon.com/antennaman or click the join button in this video, and you can also click the thanks button. If you're on Facebook, you can like my Facebook page at facebook.com/antennamanpa. If you're not on Facebook and would like to receive email updates whenever I post new videos, feel free to sign up to my email list. I include a link in the description below. Stay tuned to my YouTube channel for more cord cutting and antenna related information, and have an awesome day.